Unlocking the Secrets of Advanced Placement. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used term in education, especially in the United States: advanced placement. This concept can open up numerous opportunities for students, and understanding it is crucial whether you're a student, a parent, or just someone interested in educational systems. So, let's get started and explore what advanced placement really means. Advanced Placement, AP, is a program in the United States and Canada, created by the College Board, which offers college-level curriculums and examinations to high school students. American colleges and universities often grant placement and course credit to students who obtain high scores on the examinations. In simple terms, AP courses allow high school students to study and learn at a college level. The key benefit of taking these courses is that they can earn you college credit or qualify you for more advanced classes when you start college. Taking AP courses has several benefits. Firstly, they challenge students and help them develop skills that will be crucial for college success, such as critical thinking, academic writing, and time management. Secondly, achieving high scores in AP exams can lead to college credit, which means students can save money on college tuition and potentially graduate earlier. Lastly, it enhances a student's college application, showing colleges that a student is willing to push themselves with challenging coursework. Enrolling in AP courses typically involves a few steps. Students should first speak with their high school counselors to understand which AP courses are available at their school and how they align with their academic goals and interests. Some schools may have prerequisites or require a certain GPA to enroll in these courses. Once a student decides to take an AP course, they'll need to commit to both the coursework and preparing for the AP exams at the end of the school year. Preparation for AP exams is crucial for success. Students often use a variety of resources to prepare, including textbooks, online courses, study groups, and review sessions offered by their schools. The exams are rigorous and designed to test a student's mastery of college-level material, so consistent study and practice are key. Understanding the format of the exam and practicing with past exam questions can also greatly help students feel more prepared. We hope this video has shed some light on what advanced placement is and how it can benefit high school students. Remember, AP courses are a great way to challenge yourself academically, earn college credit, and make your college application stand out. If you're considering taking AP courses, talk to your school counselor to see which options are best for you. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best in your academic journey.